we never gave up our land. We never lost it in war. We never signed it away in treaty. It's still ours.
But Canadian governments have refused to acknowledge that, green-lighting resource project after project for decades.
45 years ago, we declared our relationship to the land and made a declaration about our lands here. 35 years ago, we filed a court action in the Supreme Court of BC. And then 25 years ago, that same court action finally made its way through the Supreme Court of Canada. So 25 years, the impacts of that were great.
All those years ago, the Gitxsans, along with the Wet'suwet'en, took their fight all the way up to the highest court of the land. Hereditary Chief Delgamuukw was the lead plaintiff for the Gitxsan and Gitxsan for the Wet'suwet'en, and they won. The case proved Indigenous people in BC had land rights that had not been extinguished by colonization, and it confirmed oral testimony as legitimate as other forms of evidence. But it was not a declaration of title. Meaning then optimistic leaders are feeling less hopeful today.
What happened to the Delgamuukw case? The Constitution is 40 years old this year. The court case is 25 years old this year. What have you done about it?
Today, the Crown controls 89% of land in Canada. The rest is primarily privately owned. Indian reserve land, also controlled by the Crown, is 0.2% of Canada's landmass, and legal scholars put land Indigenous people hold through settlement claims at around 7%.
It's shameful that today we haven't moved as we should have in the mid-1990s when the Delgamuukw case was issued by the Supreme Court.
The Delgamuukw case did break ground for others, like the Tsilhqot'in case that led to the first declaration of Aboriginal title in Canada. But it's one of hundreds that aim to confirm title.
The only way we make change, even though it's piecemeal, is having to keep going back to court because Canada doesn't want to enact and implement the decisions that are coming down in the Supreme Court of Canada. If they did, then we wouldn't have to keep going back to court.
Defining what title is really some tragic unfinished business that we have in Canada. But it's time, in my mind, to start taking a risk, moving away from our position of power, putting our swords down and sitting down with communities to hash out what that is.
While Gitxsans have pushed back against the Crown and companies for more than a century, hoping to protect land like this for future generations, the fight against logging and resource extraction isn't over.
This rail line across Gitxsan territory has been blockaded for over 100 years at this point.
The most recent was to support the Wet'suwet'en land defenders after a raid that made national headlines.
This is the spot where the blockade was set up. That occupation lasted for around 2 days, with the RCMP keeping surveillance and amassing over on that bank while the Gitxsan were amassed over on this bank along the highway.
And then there were the police. Not just the beat cops, but those from the Community Industry Response Group, a unit that takes aim at energy industry incidents.
Like, they did not need to use assault rifles here. They did not need to come and terrorize our people in the way that they did. They did not even attempt diplomacy before bringing in those paramilitarized RCMP. And it's pretty clear that that's the status quo in this country. That's how they handle Indigenous descent. That's how they handle the fact that we own the title to these territories, because Canada has no title here.
This is sovereign Wet'suwet'en land. You are trespassing. Get down.
As for police, they say they're just following orders.
I'm proud of what my members in Kirk do each and every day. They have made numerous arrests. To date, we have no one injured to the point where we've had to have anybody, the Independent Investigation Office hasn't looked into any of our activities. We've conducted our duties in a professional manner, enforcing Supreme Court injunctions and enforcing the law to the best of our ability.
As for the provincial government, they wouldn't talk to us for this story.
How do things look 20, 30 years from now? Can I look into my grandchild's eyes and say, we fought it? I thought that the fight would have been over 25 years ago, and 25 years later, here we are still fighting.
The legacy of the Delgamuukw here runs deep, but for the next generation of land defenders, the work to have the Ayuk, or the laws, and the Lakip, or the land, recognized remains unfinished. Angela Sterritt, CBC News, Gitxsan.